Hello guys, today we're going to be playing another RB. Um, yeah, we're at the Carnival of Terror. As y'all guys seen in a second, there was a Ferris wheel back there. We've been walked in the abandoned carnival by an evil clown. Let's find a way to escape. All right, doesn't seem too welcoming. Am I right, guys? All right. Oh wait, you're supposed to be taking this? Nah. Oh, we definitely ain't supposed to be taking that. Bro, if I would have taken that, bro, I would have been dead. Hey, look, it's a balloon. My ankles, it went like, yeah. I broke my ankles again. Come on, boys. Go. Go. Come on. Go. Go. Why is it so, like, noisy up in here, bro? It ain't gotta be so noisy, bro. I'm a pro parkourist in this game. Or in Roblox. Hey! Dennis Staley. Is that him? Yeah. What if you get grabbed? Nah, I ain't doing that. But why is it so low? Noisy up in here, bro. It ain't gotta be so noisy. I wish I could edit this out, but I don't know how to do it. My ankles. My ankles. I broke them. I broke my ankles. I gave myself a high five, boy. Back. Don't ask what that was, alright, guys? Do not ask. No! My ankles, they broke twice. What? Nah, I ain't gonna say that. Go! No! 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 Wait. Get me up. Get me. Come on. Yeet. Yeet. Dang it. I know I can jump up there, probably. Just don't! How do I keep doing that? How? Go. My ankles, they broke. I want to see what happens to them. Let's spectate real quick. Imagine it just like went over there and then grabbed her. Or that one right there just went like, yeet. Oh, she lucky she didn't get grabbed, bro. She is so lucky. But anyways, I had school today. Kinda good, I guess. I don't know why I'm even talking about school. Even though it's not because it's not important, but I'm just telling you how my day was. Hopefully, we can beat this under 14 minutes. Y'all guys didn't see nothing. Go. We still up in the noisy place. Oh, y'all guys ain't see that. I almost fell. Yo, imagine the killer clown came up out here. Oh, wait a second. What's gonna happen? Let's go. Oh! Help! Help! Yo! Yo! Oh, damn. Yeah, that killer clown ain't getting me anytime soon, bro. Yo, look at him down here, bro. Why is he looking down there, bro? Bro, we looking dummier than dummy itself, bro. Yo, why that thing turn bloody? No, I ain't gonna say nothing. Whoo! Yo, I would just wonder what would happen if I fall. But I ain't gonna do that. And how these balloons staying up here and not just flying away? Yeah. Bro, how I break my ankles right there? Let me just... Dang, this is loud. Oh. Nah, bruh. Daddy, nah, bro. Why is it so loud? Dang. My ears. My ears. My nice, good ears, bro. They broke. They broken. Oh, dang. Jump! Jump! Dang it. That was the first death. The first death up in here, bro. No, the second death. What? Hit! Man. Like, can you jump there and then just hop over it? No checkpoint? Go, go. Please tell me that was a checkpoint. Go, Lele. Yee! Oh. Yo, what? How we teleport to a different dimension? Bro, I am not going through that. Wait a second, let me take a selfie real quick. Hashtag creepy carnival. Alright, let's go in. Wait, I thought I was about to start chasing me. I was about to be like, oh, heck no. Yo, what? Whoa, what? Yo, they got cannonballs in here? Oh, no, never mind. Nah, bro, this about to... Let me turn it down. Nah. Gotta stay strong. Go! Go! Go, Jorge! Run! 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 Go up! Go. 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 Let's go! And I broke my ankles again. Another portal? Whoa! Why you sound like that though? You hear the little tappy taps? And how do you know that'll make you faster? My ankles! My ankles! They better be broken! Oh, sorry if I scream. Oh! Alright, come on. Why does it sound like that? That's putting me off. Aw, man. What does blue fire do? Give me super jump? Yo, what? How did I guess that? Bro, I promise. I played this before this morning, but I swear to God I never made it up to here. I only made it to that spot where that rusty door was. Go! Waka waka. Nah, never mind. Yo, why is it going all the way around, bro? Oh, no! Please! Dang. Dang. How they gonna do me like that? That's messed up. How much? 10 minutes already? Sheesh. I might have to stop recording and record the other part. Not gonna lie, bro. I am not lying. Alright, wait a second. Wait a second, guys. I'm about to stop recording and then start recording again. Wait a second, guys.